Have you ever wondered if the world is fair? Do you think Allah is just and fair in everything He does? Let me tell you a beautiful story. Imagine a little seed planted in the ground. It grows into a strong tree. The tree gives shade to everyone who sits under it and fruit to everyone who's hungry. Is that fair? Yes. The tree gives to all equally. Now think about the sky. The rain falls on the rich person's garden and the poor person's garden. The sun shines on everyone. Allah's justice is like that. It reaches everyone fairly. Sometimes we might think something is unfair when it happens to us, but Allah knows everything we don't know. He sees the future. He knows what's best for us, even when we don't understand it right now. The Quran tells us in Surah At-Tin, Ayat 4-6, "Then what makes you deny the day of judgment? Is not Allah the most just of judges?" This means Allah will judge everyone fairly on the day of judgment. He will give everyone exactly what they deserve. No one will be treated unfairly. So remember, dear children, whenever you feel something is unfair, trust in Allah. He is the most just judge. He sees everything, knows everything, and He is always fair. We just need to have faith and be patient. Allah loves you, and He is always just. Always remember that.